guys? Welcome back. I want to talk about something kind of weird real quick, something I've never really talked about on this channel before, and that's 3D printing and designing. I'm sure as you can see here, it's a box. It looks like an ammo box for 5.56. And what I've done is I've designed two boxes for. So far, they're for personal use. If you guys are interested in this, let me know, or if you have any suggestions, because I'm always open to working on new stuff. But I designed these boxes as a replica of the military ammo boxes. This is an older Mark 262, and then this one is an M193 box. And what I did was I created a box that you can 3D print that will hold 20 rounds with a lid, and it's kind of just I guess more of a novelty. I mean, it is functional. It will hold the 20 rounds of 5.56, but there's nothing else like this that's really available yet, and that's kind of why I printed it, just because I have a bunch of loose rounds that the box had broke on, and I just need something to store them in. I had chosen a couple of different boxes. So far, I've only done 5.56, but I'm thinking of working on possibly a 30 carbine, 9 mil, maybe some other calibers if anybody has any suggestions. But the thing about this, and I can release this file, is that you can edit whatever this template you want is. So all you have to do is go in and ungroup it, and then this template is separate from the rest of the box. So you can just delete it off the cover, smack a new logo on there. You have to create these in Photoshop, but it's relatively simple. I can make a video on how I designed this if you guys want, but the difference is with this one is that on this one I'm trying a different depth, and I also have the outline versus on this box, which I don't. I just wanted to show you guys quick to see if there's any interest in this, or if you have any suggestions on what I should print next, or what box I should make next, or if you're even interested in a release of the files. Just let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys. Have a great day.